Shalom Chavrim, this is Richard Solomon, and this will be a demonstration on how to use Primary Wall, a sticky note web tool for Judaic instruction. So all you want to do is go to Primary Wall. I'll just show you that. We'll just go to Primary Wall. Okay, and here we are on Primary Wall, and if you want to sign up, you just click here. If you log in, you just click here, and I'm going to so that's primarywall.com. Okay, now I should tell you that in terms of pricing, it's free for 6 months. After that, there's a charge, so you may want to be aware of that. So I want to show you a Primary Wall sticky note that I created related to Sukkot. Okay, so you could take any Judaic topic. In this case, I took Sukkot, and you and your students can create sticky notes related to it. So in this first case, students can place links about Sukkot in the place provided below. All right, so if you want to find out about the holiday of Sukkot from the Jewish Virtual Library, you would copy the URL. The way to copy the URL is actually, you see where it says edit over here? Not delete, but edit over here. You click on that, and you copy the URL. I'm going to copy the URL. Okay, and I'll show you how to get to it. Okay, so we'll open up a new tab, place the URL about Sukkot related from the Jewish Virtual Library, and sure enough, there it is. Okay. Now the other choice you have is you actually can have your note hyperlinked, and I'll show you how to do that in a moment. What you do is click on the link and see the sukkah for your that our family made. Okay, and here's a link, and you hit Post Me, and you or your students can do this, but I'm going to show you what the link looks like. We'll just click on this, and this might be a sukkah that a family made. Okay, so let's just give you another example of how to do this. Let's say I want to add another note. I just double click here, or I could add a note over here, right? Well, let's just say I want to double click over here, and this will say Primary Wall sticky note describes, we'll say one thing I like about Sukkot. Well, it looks like I like, well, apparently there's a limit to how much you can write on this. So let's say one thing I like about, let's just change this. Say a story about one aspect, we'll say aspect of Sukkot I like. Okay, should work. And then the student would simply write one aspect of Sukkot that I like to do is sleep in our sukkah. Okay, and then the student would write his or her name. We'll say the student is we'll say it's Elaine will say. Elaine. Okay, and then we just hit post it. And there it is. One aspect of the sukkah that I like is sleep in the sukkah. Oh, if you want to edit it and you want to say is to sleep in the sukkah, you want to put a period at the end, and then you just hit post it. Okay, so what have we here? What we have said is that Primary Wall is a web tool that can allow you and your students to create post-it notes or sticky notes related to any Judaic topic. Thank you so much, and we'll see you again.